by force now. Open the door now.
Hold on a minute.
Open the door.
Don't nowhere.
Get your hands behind your back.
On June 28th, 2023, what started as a domestic dispute call turned into something Ali never saw coming. She had called the police for help, but the moment officers ran her name, the situation flipped entirely. Ali had an active warrant out for her arrest on a retail theft charge at HEB. In a split second, the person who dialed 911 became the one in handcuffs.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Not doing that well today. So maybe Monday night, Sunday night, I spent the night with the father of my 3-year-old. Baby girl, go back in there just for a minute, okay, Mom? Okay. So we have like this love-hate triangle relationship. And it just keeps going on and on. It's been doing that for the past 10 years. He gained custody of my son when I became incarcerated in 2012. The baby was 2 weeks old. I got out in 2015. We got back together for a short period of time. He beat me and then cut himself, saying that I cut him so I could go back to prison on domestic. Luckily, the cops threw the bruises and the choke marks on my neck, so yada yada. This is just a backstory. Yeah. But it's a long backstory, I'm sorry. So Monday, the brakes went out in his car. He left his car here, and then Tuesday, I let him use it to go to work. I didn't answer the phone Tuesday because I was in Peoria, taking care of business. And then he proceeded to come into my house with my keys, questioning my children, took videos and a picture, which I really want you to go walk through tonight because he called DCFS on me. Because I left my children alone while I went to Peoria. My child is 16 and 6, and then there's also an adult in the house. Okay. So then when he came back, he had my keys in his hand. He left with my keys in his hand. Okay. He also, which my 16-year-old just told me, sold her marijuana on 2 different locations after I drilled her, after her room smelled like weed. So I just want my keys. If he will give me my keys back, if not, I just want to pursue this. I want my keys. So
the officer you talked to last night talked to him, he said he doesn't have your keys. So
he has my children and then he saw him leave with my keys.
Yeah. Oh, well. And the officer closed that, but the bad news is you've got a warrant.
What?
You have a warrant.
For what?
For retail theft at Hy-Vee.
Where? No, that's already been taken care of.
What's your name?
Wait, that's already been taken care of.
They dropped a warrant for you today. So.
No, it's already been taken care of.
It hasn't. You have an active warrant for your arrest.
Hold on 1 second. Hold on. Just let me call Officer Al. Just let me call him.
I don't think he's going to be able to help you. There's a warrant for your arrest, and we're going to be taking you to jail today.
For a misdemeanor or a felony? What is it?
I don't know. We're
What
going
do you
to find
mean?
out.
Can I just give me 1 second?
Yeah. I can't remember coming up here the day that went down. So
That already been taken care
anyway, it's not. There's a warrant for your arrest.
When?
Today.
Today.
No.
Here's where Ali made the critical mistake that sealed her fate. Instead of complying, she slipped inside and locked the door, possibly to grab her purse, possibly to buy time. But in the eyes of the law, that single act of closing that door added an obstruction charge on top of everything else. One bad decision, 10 more seconds, and her situation just got twice as worse.
Okay.
But now you're going to have 2 warrants. That was stupid.
I'm just grabbing my purse. Hold on.
We're going to kick the damn door down. Open the door now.
Right, if you're asking, she doesn't want you.
We're going to force the door open, and we're going to take you to jail by force now. Open the door now.
Hold on a minute.
Open the door.
Don't nowhere.
Get your hands behind your back. You're not going to slam the door on us. Now you've got an obstructing charge.
No, please. I was grabbing my purse.
And you close the door and try to lock it?
Locked it.
Yeah, because I didn't want to put on my feet.
There's no
We've
please.
never done that.
Alex.
We were being super cool, and then you try to do that. It's not acceptable.
Nope. So we're trying to be nice about it. Nope.
No,
Pull
do
it
you need
away.
to lock your door?
I don't have my keys because my ex stole my keys and you guys won't do anything about it.
So we go down and tell the office or something? Or
No.
just leave it open?
The other adult will take care of it.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay. So now you're under arrest for the warrant and obstructing. I told you you had a warrant. You tried to slam the door on us. Okay? So, we're not going to do that. And as far as I was explaining to you that the officer that called you, or that you talked to, he said that the dude doesn't have your keys.
He does have my keys.
Okay. So who's...
It's TF6.
Oh, okay. All right.
Rush hour isn't going to have anything to do with it.
Now, if the warrant dropped for you, there's nothing we can do about it. Mecon, we have one in custody here. Can you go ahead and confront, please? Okay. Why would you try to slam the door on us?
I was just trying to talk to so he can handle it for me.
Well, he's not going to. We told you that. Like, if they drop a warrant for you, the dude can't just, like, you know, make it go away like that. That was really silly.
I'm sorry, okay?
All right, please have a seat. Ma'am, I don't think you can afford to pick up extra charges, can you?
I really can't. I'm sorry.
Okay. All right.
So what was it because I missed court?
Your number.
I don't know if it's. Let me look and see if it's an arrest on charges warrant. I seem to reset this, so we'll go with 249.2 is my starting mileage.
10-4.
Does it say what my court date was, sir?
I can check on that for you.
Knock down 152.
Go ahead.
DUI recently also? Good. It must have been relatively recent. It must have been yesterday. Because you talked to...
I was literally with them making buys yesterday, and they didn't, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I gotta tell you though, like, when we transport our my in-cars on, so is my body cam, so just careful what you say about that, okay?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I'm just saying that for your benefit. I don't want you to,
Yeah,
okay?
appreciate that.
Sure. I'm sorry that this has gone south. I was
so scared. Like, I don't have, I didn't even know. Like, I am normally on top of my court dates. I don't just miss court.
it must have been yesterday because
This isn't the person I am. My mom died 9 months ago.
I'm sorry.
Track off.
5 years. And it took me on a roller coaster ride, and I've just been doing stupid shit.
1050 PD, 1540 East College, 1540.
I'm going to detox off alcohol. Okay?
you're gonna detox off of what?
Alcohol.
Okay. Well, don't you think you'll be able to bond out?
I'm able to. If it's one thing, I will, but if not, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
I drink a lot.
Okay.
Just,
Let's look. So you should. I would think you'd be able to bond, right? It says.
I think I can go a couple of I don't know right now.
Yeah, it's a 1,500, 10%. So like under, I don't know. I think the bond fee is $35. So we're talking
How much?
35. So it'd be like 185, under $200, I think. Right?
Yeah, I'll look to get it together.
Did you get your hands twisted?
No, I was trying to scratch my nose.
Okay. Well, we'll get it in there as quickly as possible, okay?
And all I was trying to do, I'm so tired of him doing this to me. He had my keys. He stole my mailbox one time.
The dude we're talking about? So I read the report on the way
Never
here.
gets in trouble for this stuff. Never. And I'm always the one, just like today. This is why I don't call you guys. He would beat my and I still wouldn't call you guys because
Yeah.
this is the type of thing that happened. I'm always, it's just like pure luck.
That's bad luck. I'm
It
sorry.
is, but it is what it is. I've been dealing with this for 10 years just to be able to see my son. He drove us to Walmart the day that I got caught. He drove me and his sister-in-law to Walmart to steal. And then when we get caught, he gets my son. Like, and he's a good dad. Like, I'm not saying that. He's an excellent father, but he is just, he's a womanizer.
Yeah, well, I'm sorry.
It's not your fault. I'm
It's
sorry,
just,
man.
no, been away. I wish I could help you.
If I can't find out for whatever reason, why just go to
What Ali revealed next reframes everything. Back in 2012, she didn't walk into that Walmart alone. Her ex drove her there. He was the one behind the wheel, but when they got caught, he walked away clean and gained custody of their son. Ali went to prison. Years later, she's still trapped in that same cycle, and tonight is proof that the consequences of that moment never really ended.
Work in the morning, or how does that work?
I would say yeah. I don't think they're going to want to hold on to you, to be honest with you. I don't know if somebody will have the ability to. I don't know. I couldn't say. I know they're short-staffed, right? So what do you think this guy did with your keys? Just
He might have thrown them in the lake. He might have threw them in a ditch. He might have stashed them somewhere in my house that I'll find a year from now.
okay.
It's hard telling.
So did the officer you talked to was Kruger, and he's here today. Did he tell you that the guy said he put him in your bedroom?
I never was able to get back a hold of him. No, he told me that he put them on my bed. I have a key ring. I have OCD. My house is. I know where everything is in my house. He says that he put them on my bed.
Okay.
They should be on the hook. If he would have put them on my bed, my children would have grabbed them and put them on the hook because they know how I am. So there's no way that he did something with them. And I was talking to his sister and his son last night, and his sister's like, he just laughed it off. Like, I don't know what the crazy person did. But, like, his family doesn't know anything.
Oh no. Okay.
And they know what I'm going through. It's just. And now I'm going to have to pay for a new set of car keys. That's going to be the most expensive thing. And then.
Is it?
I'm not too concerned about that because I have my upstairs neighbor. She's the one that drives. She has a
Right.
spare key. But just in case that one gets lost, I want to make sure that there's another set because mine are suspended right now, so I don't drive. But my house keys, like I have to put crutches. I had injured my knee about 3 months ago, and
Oh, no.
crutches, so I put crutches in between my freaking door and my couch. That way I feel safe. Like.
And I 1674. Go ahead.
And then for him to just be able to come in my house at any point in time, that's insane.
Yeah.
35 levels 10-8,
I need a number for in-state warrant and resisting at 100 Northfield 9B. How'd you injure your knee?
Well, at work, I worked at Lowe's, and I was just getting in and out, up and down from the ladder, and I hit the last one with my right knee. I played basketball and I played track in junior high and high school.
Oh yeah.
And so the first times I blew my right one out with track, we were coming back from a track meet, and I was running a paper of 10 on the bus. And
Where'd you go to high school?
North Green High School.
Where's that?
Oh God, Greene County, Illinois.
I
It's about, you know where Jacksonville, Illinois is, 101 miles from here.
sure do.
It's a little south from there. It's like on your way through Alton.
Oh, okay.
On your way to go to Alton.
I know what you're talking about now.
Carrollton and Jersey.